Hello students, today let us learn the 7th chapter poetry Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Okay, this is a humorous poem. Now let us read the question before we read and understand the poem. Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in the tree. The poor thing can't come down without help. How would you help it? Surely not like Dad in the poem. Is Dad a good climber? What were his plans? Read the poem to find out. So here we might have noticed sometimes in our homes also cat will be climbing the tree. Sometimes we also might have helped the cat to come down. But here what is happening to the dad and with the cat? Now let us read the poetry and then let us understand. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, Right, Dad said, Right, just leave it to me. Now, today morning, the cat has stuck up in the tree. Okay, now Dad is telling, Right, just leave it to me. Means he is telling that he will save the cat. Second, the tree was wobbly. Wobbly means unsteady. The tree was not very strong, okay? Very weak or unsteady. The tree was tall, but the tree was very, very tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. Now, mother is frightened. Okay, mother is frightened. Please don't fall down. For goodness sake, please don't climb. Third stanza, fall. Scoffed dad. Scoffed means mocking, means a kind of teasing or laughing. Now dad is telling, fall. Scoffed dad. A climber like me? Child's play this is. You wait and see. Now he is telling, don't think that it is a child's play, but I am a good climber. I am a good climber. Wait and see how I am going to save the cat. The fourth stanza, he got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. Now, he did not listen to his own wife, but he told he is a good climber, and then he fell down from the ladder. So, this is the first step. This is the plan A. The first plan is he is taking the ladder, climbing up the tree, and then he is falling down. His effort was failure. The fifth stanza, never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. Now, he fell down. Yes, he fell down from the ladder. So, his body, his head and the dress became dirty. So, now he started to wash that. The next stanza, we'll try plan B, stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again, okay? Now, again his wife is telling, now he is going to climb again. He is planning. And then the wife is telling, please don't do that again and then don't fall again. She is warning him. The next stanza, fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself off on a branch. It broke. Now, second plan, what he is doing? He is swinging himself on the branch of the tree. So, that branch was not strong. It also broke. The second plan also became failure. The next stanza, Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Now, the next stanza, what is happening here? His own wife is telling again and again, don't fall. The next time you may break your neck also. So, don't climb the tree. But, Dad is not happy with the advice of the wife. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we'll try plan C. Now the third plan he is planning. Easy as a swing as winking. Now he's telling, winking means closing and opening the eyes. Now he's telling, before you close and open your eyes, I will take the cat from the tree. So easy as winking to a climber like me. So he is thinking that he is a good climber. He is a good climber in the world, so nothing will happen to him, so don't worry. Okay, so don't worry, he is telling. Now the third plan, what he is going to do? Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. The third plan, what did he do? He climbed on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. No, so now the third plan, he did not fall down. The next stanza, he gave a great leap. Leap means joy. And he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. So he reached to the place of the cat, and then he relieved, or he saved the cat, and the cat came down, but the dad is stuck up on the tree. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. Now the cat is very much happy because it thinks that I am safe in the ground. So it's smiling and smirkling, smug as can be, but poor old dad's still stuck up the tree. Now this cat as though teasing like, I am already safe in the ground, but the dad is stuck up on the tree. Okay, so this is a very humorous and fun making poetry. Okay, finally the cat was relieved, but the dad stuck up on the tree. So this is a simple poem, you can understand, I hope, and you can study well, and then you can prepare well. Okay dears, very simple poem. According to me, it is very simple and then humorous poetry, and then the words also very simple to understand. So once again you can read the poem line by line and then understand it better. Okay, thank you students.